Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to configure FortiManager in GNS3. FortiManager can be implemented in an environment where you are having more than one Fortinet security device. That is, FortiManager can be used to manage all the Fortinet devices that are available in your network. It helps us to centrally manage all your Fortinet devices. It provides visibility in the sense we will be able to better understand the security design, where all you have deployed the Fortinet devices, the FortiOS that has been deployed, the patches which has been installed, and you can do configuration management centrally from FortiManager. It also helps you to ensure that the services, definitions, and updates across hundreds and thousands of Fortinet devices that has been deployed in your network is up to date. Another advantage of having a FortiManager is that it recommends what all are the best features or practices that need to be implemented across your Fortinet security devices. FortiManager also helps to automate tasks across similar devices. I'll give you an example. You are having a main office and 150 branch offices. So for security purposes and for connecting through VPN, you have deployed one FortiGate device across all the 150 branch offices as well as at main office. In addition to that, you are having a FortiManager as well. So you need to take backup of all the FortiGate devices on a daily basis. Imagine that. Logging on to all the FortiGate devices and taking backup is a tedious process. With FortiManager, you can automate the process. You can write script so that FortiManager takes backup of all your FortiGate devices on a daily basis. You don't have to even open that devices. It will automatically do it for you. And also you can ensure that your iOS or the FortiOS versions are same across all the devices. So a various number of tasks can be automated using FortiManager. I have opened GNS3. Go to all the devices and you can see FortiManager over here. I am using the version 6.2.0. Just drag onto the screen. Now go to cloud and drag that onto the screen. Here select your local PC, not GNS3 VM, because you want to access the interfaces that are available on your PC, virtual interfaces. So select that and click OK. Now right click and configure the cloud. Select show special interfaces. In that select VMnet 8. Click add and apply. Click OK. Now connect this cloud interface to your FortiGate device. I'll be using port 2. Run it. Right click on the FortiManager and select console. Now you can see the FortiManager booting up. It is initializing the file systems. The FortiManager VM requires more RAM in comparison with FortiGate. The username is admin, password is blank. And now I have connected this FortiManager onto port 2. So I'll be configuring port 2. edit port to set IP I have connected this FortiGate device to my virtual interface. Here you can see on VM net 8 I have connected this FortiGate device. So the IP address is 192.168.240.1. So I need to configure an IP address in that range, in that network. So I have configured it as .7 and the subnet is /24. So I have written subnet mask like that. Now I need to enable access to that device. Next and end. Now if I open Chrome and type in the IP address 192.168.240.7, I understand the risk. Continue. Now you can see I am able to access the GUI interface of the FortiManager. I am assigning a new password, which is mandatory. You have to do that. And after that I have accessed the FortiManager. So if I want to add a device, I can go over here. If I want to manage the Forti switch, I can manage over here. Access points I can access using this AP manager. VPN I can manage using the VPN manager. I can set a policy so that it gets deployed to all the FortiGate devices that are available in that network, or which we have added in this device manager. This policy get pushed onto that device. This is SOC Security Operations Center. Incidents and events are there, reports are there, log views also available. General system settings that is available over here. So I'll go log on to that so that you will get an interface similar to that of FortiGate. Here you can do the configuration changes, and these are the system information that is available, as well as the licensing, the disk space that is allocated, the FortiGate device, FortiManager. If any device has been added to these ports, that will be displayed over here. I have connected through this port 2, that is up and running. You can restart and shut down the device from here. This is the disk utilization. That's all for today. Thank you for viewing.